Good morning to all 8th class children. I am V. Shanta Kumari, TZT English, working in KGBV Achutapuram, Visakhapatnam district. Children, I hope you are doing good at home. How are you children? Are you taking care of your health using masks, sanitizers and social distance? Yes children, it is very essential to us. Are you ready with your pen and notebooks and textbook? In before that, we have listened Unit 1 Be Reading My Mother poem. This poem was written by Rabindranath Tagore. He was an Indian English writer and Nobel Prize winner. In this poem, he felt that he recollects his childhood memories with his mother, and as well as he used some figures of speech. Let we discuss what is figures of speech. In types of figures of speech: simile, metaphor, personification, and imagery. Speech. Figure of speech is a way of expressing, narrating, or saying something. Figure of speech is used by the poets in the poems, writers in the stories. Speech is used in music, television, and also ads, as well as by everyone in day-to-day life. Figure of speech is a uses of some words which creates a picture or drawing in the mind of the reader or listener. So whenever we want to convey the something to the meaning of the speaker. Purpose of figure of speech: to bring the clarity in speech, to add the beauty, color, and variety to the speech, to make it more expressive language. This is the better way to beautiful language. So now let's see the simile. Simile is a figure of speech. Simile means similar or like. Simile is a direct comparison in which two entirely different things, not of same kind, are compared using words like and as. Simile is used for comparison of two things have nothing common between them. As is used for direct comparison, like is used to show the resemblance. Examples to simile: sweet as honeybee. How the sweet as a honeybee. Second example, roar like a lion. How the roar like a lion. Another example for you, it is hot as the sun outside today. How the today? Very hot. He compared with the sun. And next one, the flower looks like golden jewel. How the flower was? Look like golden jewel. And other example, the tree is as tall as skyscrapers. Skyscrapers means very high. How the tree is very high. Then he compared with as. The tree is as tall as skyscrapers. These are simile examples. Second is the metaphor. Metaphor is a figure of speech. Metaphor is an implied simile. Metaphor is an indirect comparison between things and objects which are different from each other but have some common characteristics between them. In simile comparison directly between two, metaphor does not use like and as words for comparison. Metaphor does not do direct comparison by using words like and as, but it takes similarity between two things granted. For example, the camel is the ship of the desert. The camel is the ship of the desert. Here the camel is compared with the ship. The camel and the ship both are entirely different, but they have common characteristics. They both are help people to travel. The camel is traveling for in desert, whereas ship is traveling on ocean. So the camel is the ship of the desert. And next one, life is a dream. life is a dream. Life is compared with dream. They have similarity. Both have start and end. Both are beautiful. Life start with birth and death. Dream also start with sleep and woke up. Both are beautiful. So, children, I hope you understood both example for metaphor. Third one is personification. Personification is a figure of speech, the simplest figure of speech. In personification, human qualities are given to animals, objects, or abstract ideas. Abstract ideas are things which we can't be see and touched. It can be ideas, state of being, feelings, or inequalities like running, sleeping, bravely, opportunity, sad, happiness. So these are abstract ideas. So, personification is the human quality are given to animals or abstract ideas. Animals or non living things or objects are abstract ideas, talks and behaves or act like human being. For example, opportunity knock door only once. Opportunity is compared with human quality. Here, opportunity is compared with human being. And second example is an anxiety is sitting on his face. Here anxiety is compared with human behavior or human being. These are personification examples. Another figure of speech is imagery. First of all, what is imagery? When author uses descriptive language that helps the reader better understand what is happening. Imagery can mean helping to make an image in the mind. It is a great for a speaker to express in a more colorful types of imagery. What we see, what we hear, what we feel, what we smell, and what we taste. When you take example for imagery, the cool waves crossed over my feet as we walked along with the dirty sand. Here, the girl imagined in her mind the cool waves touched her feet. These are the imaginary examples. Let we see textbook exercises, page number 14. Imagery. We know already what is imagery. In this imagery example here, mother rock in the cradle. Here, the child senses with his eyes and ears. And metaphor, the comparison of two unlike things. This is the indirect comparison. Example, Hari was a lion in the fight. He was a lion in the fight. And simile. Simile is a direct comparison using like and as. Example, as cool as a cucumber. Next, as white as snow. Third one is life is just like an ice cream. And fourth one, personification. Giving non-human objects human characteristics. The moon danced mournfully over the water. Children, do you understood this topic? And after this topic, do this worksheet. Thank you all.